In this video, I'm gonna show you how I made this thumbnail in just 5 minutes using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So firstly, I'm gonna crop the main image. Here I'm using Elon Musk photo. Then I'll start working on the background, like adding a background picture and a specific color. And then I'll put a white background for the text. I'm keeping the design clean, don't want too many things going on here. Then I'm retouching the main image using camera raw filter. Next I'm gonna add some highlights and also adjusting the lighting and adding a bit of yellow and white to give it that vibrant look. And finally, I'm going over everything one last time. Here I am color grading the overall image using camera raw filter, just making sure everything looks perfect. there you have it. I'm done with the thumbnail in just 5 minutes. Although it took me around 30 minutes to create this, but in this video I tried to show you under 5 minutes.